I guess my heart. Can we make a chiropractic video? Easy. So what you want to do, for a broken ankle, put pressure right below it and... Good. Well, we're going to crack it back. Now for the other one. Get close up. Get close up. Guys, hold on. This is what it should look like. You guys want to learn how to do knees? Are you ready? So you put pressure right there and push up right here, okay? Okay, here we go. You ready? Here. Like.
Why?
At the end, he should be able to do this.
That just sounds awful.
That's how you know you've done it, kids. Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing chiropractic. Start off with, if you have a very tense ankle, as you can listen, very hard. So what we're going to want to do is get in on this. Are you ready? What we want to do is get a nice grip right above his shin, push on his toe in.
Hey, this is soothing 24-hour ASMR. Shut up for just a couple seconds.
Come on. Now, to start off with the next foot, we just want to... Oh, that's nice.
Why?
Oh. That's
Why?
That's
It
it for
saves